In this video, we'll show you how to enable dual apps on an Android device. If this tutorial is helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. This feature is particularly useful if you want to use multiple accounts on the same app, essentially giving you two versions of the same app. There are a couple of methods to enable this feature, but let's start with the first one. Open your Settings app on your phone. From there, scroll up and look for the Search section. Next, scroll again and find the Dual Messenger option. Tap on it and you'll see a list of apps that support dual accounts. For example, I can select WhatsApp and toggle the switch to enable a second copy. You'll know it's a second version because it will have an orange icon next to it. If some apps aren't listed here, you can try using an app called Parallel Space from the Play Store. This app lets you clone apps and create dual versions. Once you install it, open the app and tap Add App. Then select the app you want to duplicate. For example, I'll choose YouTube, tap Add to Parallel Space, and now you can use both versions.